Hello everybody, and you know who I am, and we're about to go inside a famous store called Harrods. Harrods, it's more like it's a British store. You don't find it in Canada or in America, any place like that. So I've never been there. I've seen it in movies before. So let's go inside and just go check it out. Let's see what they have to offer. Okay, so when we enter, they have some like gift section. What is this? Liquors? Oh, milk chocolate. Wow. Oh, look, it's a cute bus. It's a biscuit box. Looks pretty nice. Oh, China. This is all like, China. The wear. It looks pretty cool. Water bottles. I've actually wanted one of these. Stainless steel ones. Look really cute. Coffee cups. Who can forget coffee cups? This is some signature coffee cups of theirs. Harrods. Look at that pink penny too. Harrods. Oh, you guys have seen the movie Paddington. It's actually like he goes inside Harrods. So this is also like his section, his personal section. See? I guess Harrods actually sponsored this movie because they're more like teddy bear style. Because if you look, teddy bears. Where else? There's like so many teddy bears here, so kind of connects to each other with these. And look, he has this cute suitcase. Harrods, I don't know, Paddington, something. So there's some beauty kits and then some perfume. Nail polish. I think that's French or something. Yeah. Oh, it's British. It says London on it. Florist. Ooh. It's a tie. And look, it's some earrings or some rings. Bang. I have like some steering wheels. Some Japanese things. Oh, kapow. It's not Japanese, it's kapow. Oh, okay. Handbags. That's something everybody has. What else? I guess this is like the toy section, if you're looking at it. Oh, what are these? Hey, look. That's actually cool. It's a signaturized, like, miniature model of a Mini Cooper. This is actually pretty accurate. You can see its details. It's pretty good. Oh, look here. This is like, I don't know, the transportation set in London. They have the taxi car. They have the bus. They have the tube, the underground tube. This is basically what London people use to travel every day. Some more bears. Oh, this is a separate set. Only bus and taxi. And this is only taxi. Wow, I have to say, they do pretty good detail. Oh, look! Isn't that cute? If you guys see Mr. Bean, he has like the same car, except it's a different color. It's like plain green. This is like the British. This is also a British car, and it looks like it's a Mini too. And I guess these are just like chocolates. Chocolates. Oh, Peter Rabbit. Oh. Chocolates, nuts, some things. And this is like the biscuit section. I guess this section is meant to have like tin cans and sweets and chocolates and all placed in cans. Like big cans. And this is the chocolatey nuts section. Oh, they have some Brazil nut biscuits. I guess biscuits are very famous in London. Lollipops. Pretty cool. Oh god. Bears. It's pretty cool. And they have some gift bags. These sets of baskets. Some more bags. Hot chocolate, Emma. Oh, this is a powder. I forgot to talk about that. Wow. And this is like some poster. I think this is just like fact board. Harrods employs green men. 1898, they introduced the first escalator. What else? Winnie the Pooh. Honey. Okay. Oh, teddy bears. So many teddy bears. This is Burberry. I'm not into Burberry. Their type of things. That's pretty much it.